Whenever people think of seabirds, if they know what a seabird is, they're not thinking of this, right? You're thinking of a coastal area. Here you have these birds flying from the sea and then nesting in these montane forests, many, many kilometers inland. And it's pretty amazing being here and special when it's at night and it's dark and you hear this of the bird and it comes through the trees and then hits its burrow, and that's where it nests. So it's nesting in these forests, in holes in the ground. The Hawaiian petrel and the Newell shearwater are Hawaiian endemics, so they're found literally nowhere else in the world. If they disappear here, they're gone forever.
The official start to the shearwater season, as we call it, is September 15th. Fledgling Newell shearwaters are leaving the burrows for the first time. They're heading out to sea, they have no parental guidance, and they get attracted by light, and they come to the ground. So we put out aid stations all over the island. When these guys start fledging, keep any unnecessary lights off or your blinds covered, and just be aware when you're driving the island or you're out in your backyard or anything that these birds might be attracted to any uncovered light sources. And what people can do if they find a downed bird is they can take a clean cloth, put it over the bird, scoop the bird up, put it into a well-ventilated container for transport, and then take it to one of these aid stations or the Kauai Humane Society. Technicians from the program go around every single day and check every aid station for any birds that the public has found. And then the technician takes it to areas on the island we've determined are good release sites. They have to make that flight, and if they can't do it to their feeding grounds, that's it for them.
We've got a whole range of threats these birds face. They collide with power lines, and the chicks fledge from their burrows and end up being attracted to lights on the ground. These habitats are crawling with invasive predators, cats everywhere, rats, pigs, barn owls. Now we know these are the threats, and we now have all the tools in the toolbox to protect them. So we are seeing that with all these things that we've been doing, a complete change in the fortunes of the birds out here. They've gone from being decimated and failing every year to fledgling chicks, and we're seeing birds coming back, and we're seeing reproductive success rates just blossoming. The birds are doing really, really well. I think the world would be a much poorer place without all these endangered species. You want to make sure that these birds are still here for the next generation, the generation after that.